Right. Leather backs. We're only a minute and a half in.
How did we go into that?
I don't know.
Anyway.
Should we get on to balers?
Yeah.
Right, Craig. Krone balers.
Yep.
Seen a lot already. Lots of developments at Agritechnica last year. We saw some more developments at Lammer in 2026, back in January. We're now at the Royal Highland Show 2026. And this is one we've not really looked at yet.
Yeah.
ComPack.
Yeah.
As ever, a massive thank you to all of our sponsors and partners, to Avon Tuning HD, the engine remapping expert, and to S&G Plant Services, the heavy haulage specialist. To find out more about our sponsors and ways to support LandPowerTV, including where to watch all of our in-depth reviews, simply check out the links in the description area. Right, on with the show. What's the crack with ComPack?
Yes, ComPack, so it's just a new model to what the Comprima was, so a few changes from the Comprima model, which has been running, I don't know, the Comprima probably was running for about 15 years, I think. So
all right, it's had a good innings then.
Had a good run, you know, they got a bit of a facelift 4 or 5 years ago to the Comprima Plus, but we've just now stepped it up again onto the ComPack model.
So this effectively replaces what was Comprima?
Yeah. So they still do, you can do a standalone variable chamber at the moment, and then you've got the combi wrap, semi-variable and fully variable.
Yeah.
So this one here's the semi-variable one, the 155. So yeah, it's probably the unique bit to Krone. Nobody else, I believe, does a semi-variable baler. So what that does for you, you can do from 1.25 centimetre bales up to 155 centimetre bales. Yeah. On 5 centimetre increments.
All right.
So basically, you've got a pin you move on the back of the baler. You select your bale size. If I can point that into you. If you go down the side in there, James, you've got
just in down that side, yeah.
Yep. So you change the pin on each side.
Yeah.
Then tell the box what size the bales is, and it sorts the net and the wrap out to suit.
Ah, I see. So without having to go fully variable chambers, you can just do it.
It's a bit in between, because obviously when you go full variable, the full variable baler's got 2 web systems effectively, whereas this is one single chain and slat, so it's just a cost thing. And obviously the variable goes all the way down. That will wrap a 900mm bale. Right. Whereas this, you're still down at your normal size bale, but then you can work it up.
So it adds that extra flexibility then.
It does, yeah, and I think, I can't remember the exact numbers, but I think the factory had worked it out. If you do a 135 centimetre bale over a 125, you'd save, I think it was at 10 bales in 100, so it's a lot less net wrap without being stupid with a massive big bale. Yeah. So it just gives you that little bit more flexibility. Then if you want to go and do hay or straw, you can make a bigger bale. Right. And anything, either the semi-variable or the fully variable one kicks out, it will wrap it. So it'll wrap from 900mm all the way up to 1.5. All right. Which is pretty handy.
Yeah, definitely. So what's going from Comprima to ComPack? Obviously styling's changed a little bit, name's changed obviously. Has anything else changed? A few new features, I suppose. So it's got a full new operating system in it. You can have an onboard additive system, which we couldn't have before. We do these with film on film, which we could before as well, but we're bringing them into the UK with film on film. It seems to be growing in popularity, so I thought we'd as well with them that way. Then if you want to use it, you can. If you don't, you don't need to. Yeah. It's all the same system. Comes with a camera fitted in there as standard. Then you've got, same again, still the camless pickup reel as we've always had before. That's it. These are TIM ready, so if your tractor's got TIM activated, the Comprimas are already ready to do it. So this will talk to the tractor and tell it what it wants.
Yep, that'll stop. So, which is
tail wagging the dog.
Yeah, I've never tried it, to be fair. I was quite keen to try it just to see.
Time we should, Craig.
We probably should. Have a bash. So that'll be pretty cool. So the new user interface, so it's more functionality to the control box at the back. On the previous Comprima models, you could lift the knives at the back to slacken off the wrap, whereas this one you can do everything at the back. You can turn the table around, do bits and pieces. So that's probably quite a new big thing for us. More user-friendly, isn't it? It is, yeah. It saves you running back and forward, so that's a big thing for us.
So that's all on here, is it?
It's all on here, so you've got a lot more functions than we ever had before. So yeah, the option of the onboard additive system.
Where would that sit on this?
It goes under one of the panels. If you, that bottom picture there shows you on it, so you'll lose a couple of couple of storage points.
Yeah.
If I open this up here, it'll probably show you. So you lose a couple of storage points, but your tanks will go in. But one there and one there.
Right.
That'd be the idea.
Would you have them on both sides as well, or just down
I think it's just one side.
Right.
So we'll see what the call for that is. I don't know how popular additive on round balers is
Have you
in the
been
UK.
asked for it at all?
Not yet. We've done quite a few of the onboard systems on the forage wagons, obviously, and then the square balers. So
yeah,
we'll see what.
This is the next.
This is the next
step.
The next one along. But again, it's that integration, because if you can put a moisture meter and weigh scales in the baler. So same with the square balers, it'll be able to add more additive if the bales get wetter and bits and pieces. So that's the idea, just a bit more.
There you go. And these new ComPacks, are they available now? These?
Yeah, they're available. This one, it's one of our new dealer, White Aggregate Bigger. This is his demo unit actually, so he's kindly let us borrow it before he uses it, which is nice of him. And there's another couple about in the dealer network as well. We've got a few on farm, so it's been good actually.
Cracking. Well, like I say, we look forward to seeing this new ComPack out in the field at some point. But yeah, for now, Craig.
Yeah.
As ever.
Thanks, James.
Always a pleasure.
Yep. Enjoy your show.
Spot on.